3 bedtime vitamins for stronger legs after 60. Do your legs feel weaker than they used to be? Are you struggling with balance, cramps, or fatigue even after a full night's rest? Here's the truth. Weak legs, poor balance, and muscle loss aren't always an inevitable part of aging. Often, it's about a critical nutritional gap that opens up later in life. Your body never loses its ability to repair itself. What it needs are the right nutrients at the right time, especially before bed, when your body repairs and regenerates tissues the most. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful bedtime vitamins that help rebuild muscle strength, improve blood flow, and support stronger legs after 60. Each of these vitamins plays a unique role in repairing muscle fibers, reducing inflammation, and boosting nighttime recovery, so you can wake up feeling steadier, stronger, and more energetic. No more cramping, no more fatigue, just the energy and strength to move through your day fully in control. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss vital health tips for seniors. Let's jump into the first powerhouse vitamin. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but its impact goes far beyond mood and immunity. It's one of the most critical nutrients for muscle strength, balance, and bone integrity, especially after 60. Here's why it's so important. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that give structure and density to your bones. Without enough vitamin D, calcium remains in your bloodstream instead of being deposited into bones, leading to weaker skeletal support. But beyond bone health, vitamin D directly influences muscle performance. Every muscle cell in your body has vitamin D receptors. When this vitamin binds to those receptors, it triggers protein synthesis, the process that builds and repairs muscle fibers. This means your muscles can recover and strengthen more effectively during rest, particularly overnight when your body performs most of its cellular repair work. Scientific research shows that older adults with higher vitamin D levels have better leg strength, faster walking speed, and improved balance. Conversely, deficiency is closely linked with muscle weakness, frequent falls, and reduced endurance. Another key reason vitamin D is crucial at bedtime is its role in neuromuscular coordination. It supports the communication between your brain and muscles, allowing smooth, controlled movements. Low vitamin D levels can impair this connection, leading to unsteady steps or leg tremors, especially when standing up after sitting or during nighttime bathroom trips. Vitamin D also helps regulate inflammation, which is essential for muscle recovery. During sleep, your body enters a deep repair phase, breaking down damaged cells and rebuilding stronger fibers. Vitamin D acts as a regulator, keeping inflammation under control, so that healing can occur efficiently without excessive swelling or soreness. Additionally, this vitamin works closely with magnesium and calcium, the other 2 key players in this video, to create a strong foundation for your legs, bones, and muscles. In short, vitamin D ensures your legs don't just move. They move with strength, coordination, and stability. 2. Magnesium. While vitamin D helps build muscle tissue, magnesium ensures your muscles can actually relax, recover, and function properly. It's one of the most essential minerals for seniors, yet also one of the most commonly depleted. Magnesium is deeply involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including those responsible for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and energy production. When your magnesium levels are low, your muscles can't relax fully, leading to cramps, spasms, or restless legs, particularly at night. Here's how magnesium supports stronger legs while you sleep. During the day, your muscles contract constantly, every step, every movement. Even standing still engages leg muscles. By night, those fibers are fatigued and full of microscopic damage. Magnesium helps these muscles release tension and rebuild energy reserves. By assisting in ATP production, the molecule your muscles use for fuel. Without enough magnesium, your muscles struggle to produce energy efficiently, leaving them weak and easily fatigued. Magnesium also supports electrolyte balance by regulating calcium and potassium movement within muscle cells. This delicate balance is what allows your muscles to contract and then relax properly. When magnesium is low, calcium floods the cells and keeps muscles in a state of tightness, which explains why leg cramps often strike at night. Another crucial benefit is magnesium's effect on the nervous system. It has a calming, relaxing influence on nerve activity, which helps reduce twitching, tingling, or burning sensations in the legs. Symptoms often linked to poor nerve communication or overactive muscle fibers. And because magnesium supports healthy blood flow, it ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the legs even while you're asleep. This helps flush out lactic acid and other metabolic byproducts that can build up after activity, further reducing stiffness or soreness. Studies have shown that adequate magnesium intake improves muscle performance, walking endurance, and recovery time in older adults. It's not just a mineral for relaxation, it's a mineral for regeneration. And at bedtime, magnesium works synergistically with vitamin D. While vitamin D strengthens bones and triggers muscle growth, magnesium provides the calm, relaxed environment that allows this rebuilding to take place. Together, they create the perfect nighttime formula for restoring leg strength naturally. 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is often called the energy vitamin, but its real magic lies in how it supports your nervous system and muscle coordination. It's one of the most essential nutrients for maintaining strong, responsive legs, especially as you age. Here's why. B12 plays a critical role in the production of myelin, the protective sheath that covers your nerves. This sheath acts like insulation around electrical wires, allowing signals from your brain to reach your muscles quickly and efficiently. When B12 levels drop, the myelin sheath begins to deteriorate, a process that can lead to tingling, numbness, or weakness in the legs. These symptoms are often mistaken for poor circulation, but in many seniors, they stem from nerve damage caused by long-term B12 deficiency. At night, your body performs neurological repair and recovery, just as it does for muscle tissue. Vitamin B12 is vital for this process. It helps regenerate nerve cells, supports the formation of new red blood cells, and ensures that oxygen delivery to muscles remains steady. This means your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need even during sleep, allowing them to wake up feeling more energized and responsive. B12 also works hand in hand with folate and vitamin B6 to regulate homocysteine, an amino acid that can damage blood vessels and nerves when elevated. By keeping homocysteine levels low, B12 helps preserve the health of your microcirculation, the tiny capillaries that deliver blood to your leg muscles and nerves. One of the most overlooked benefits of vitamin B12 is its influence on mitochondrial function, the energy factories within your cells. Healthy mitochondria are essential for strong, enduring muscles. When B12 is present, your cells can efficiently convert nutrients into ADP, the energy that powers every contraction and movement in your legs. Without it, muscles fatigue faster, nerves misfire, and recovery slows down. And since vitamin B12 is water-soluble, it plays a role in detoxification, helping remove waste from muscle tissue during sleep. This keeps your legs feeling lighter and less stiff in the morning. In older adults, low B12 levels are strongly associated with balance problems, slower walking speeds, and an increased risk of falls. That's because when the nerves that control the legs and feet weaken, the brain can't coordinate muscle movement properly. Maintaining adequate B12 supports that crucial mind-muscle connection, ensuring your legs stay strong, responsive, and stable. Individually, each of these vitamins supports a specific aspect of leg health. Vitamin D strengthens bones and activates muscle growth. Magnesium relaxes and restores tired muscle fibers. Vitamin B12 protects nerves and keeps them firing correctly. But together, they create a powerful nighttime synergy that helps your legs recover and rebuild while you rest. Here's how. When you fall asleep, your body enters a state of deep repair. Growth hormone levels rise, cells regenerate, and damaged tissues begin to heal. Vitamin D ensures that calcium and phosphorus are delivered where they're needed, into the bones and muscle fibers. Magnesium calms the nervous system, preventing cramps and promoting deep, restorative sleep, the kind of sleep your muscles need to rebuild efficiently. Meanwhile, vitamin B12 keeps the nerve pathways active and healthy, ensuring that the brain and muscles stay connected and synchronized. The result is a stronger foundation, both structurally and neurologically. You're not just preserving strength. You're enhancing the body's natural ability to recover, rebuild, and move with confidence. So, if your legs often feel weak, heavy, or unsteady, it may not just be age. It could be your body's quiet call for these essential nutrients. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps more seniors discover natural ways to restore strength and mobility. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more senior health tips. Thank you for spending this time with me. See you in the next video.